Well, it's finally happened. We now have a Durston rolling mill for under $400. Welcome to the Durston Hobby Mill. This is an 80 millimeter mill, which means that we have quite a bit of space in here to roll out any pattern sheets or anything like that. It opens to 4 millimeters. So if you assume that maybe some of your metal texture plates might be about 3 millimeters, that means that you can work up to 1 millimeter for your sheet to roll that through. Or, like I said, up to even 4 millimeters in your wire. This mill features a 3-to-1 gear ratio, meaning that you're going to rotate your handle 3 times in order for you to rotate this roller one full revolution. That makes it a little easier when you're working with patterning metal and having that pressure on there to get that through just a little bit easier. Features a T-top handle and the profile is tiny. This is going to be something I'm going to be able to take to workshops wherever I go. I could even pack this into a suitcase if I wanted to, though I'm going to be pretty close to my weight limit. And to give you a size comparison, here's the 80 millimeter hobby mill next to our C140 Agile Elite. The mill comes fully assembled and features a solid cast iron frame for strength and rigidity. All you need to do is attach the handle. Remove the tape holding the key for the handle and be careful not to drop and lose that key. The key is going to fit into the keyway onto the handle. Be sure to install the handle properly with the hand grip to the outside of the mill. If you install a hand grip to the inside, you're going to run into the table. Once that's been installed, tighten the set screw with the included hex key, and we are now ready to get to work. When the mill comes, the rollers and top gears have been coated in a grease to prevent rust during shipping. This will need to be removed before you can use the mill. You can start with a paper towel and wipe down the rollers. I found that mine was a little too sticky to remove just by wiping. You can use a little rubbing alcohol on a paper towel to help dissolve and loosen the grease. Continue to wipe down the rollers until they are clean. I use a little bit more alcohol and wipe down the top gears as well to help prevent dust and dirt getting trapped onto them. To use the mill, I like to gap the machine. This means I'm going to bring the item that I'm going to be adding a texture to along with the item that will provide that texture. In this case, it's a steel texture plate. Open the rollers to slide both pieces in and then tighten the mill until it's snug, but not tight enough to create an impression. Turn the top handle about a quarter turn and then roll both pieces through again. It should take a little bit of effort to move the metal through, but it shouldn't be too difficult. And now we have our textured silver. At the end of the day, when I have used the mill, I like to keep it clean and oil the rollers. I cut it dowel to the right length for the rollers and wrap it in a paper towel. Then feed this into the mill and close the rollers down, leaving just enough of a gap that the paper towel can roll freely in that gap. Then I use a little bit of machine oil on both rollers, and then I will turn the handle until the rollers are clean and clear of all debris. Once you are done, you can remove that paper towel, and now the mill is ready to be used when you come back. As you can see, this is a great little mill. It weighs approximately about 40 pounds, around 19 kilograms. This footprint is extremely small. The rollers are 64 Rockwell hardness, which is the same as all other Durston mills. And there's an additional roller that you can purchase to swap out the top roller that will give you 5 different grooves for the D groove. So now we would be able to have half round wire and 9 different V grooves for triangular wire. As of this filming, I do happen to know that there is a whole shipment coming to Guess Wine. I will include links to those as well as a discount code for all of my viewers. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.